Devanahalli and sort out your questions regarding this area. Devanahalli is one of the most fastest growing locations in Bangalore in today's day. But you see, nothing good comes cheaper. But what if I tell you, you have an opportunity to grab one over here in a very nominal price and expect a very good appreciation for the coming future. How? Now we would talk about the growth and development which is coming up in this location with regards to the healthcare, technology, schools and whatnot. Come, now let's see. Lately, this location has been grabbing the eyes of the people from the IT sectors, business personals and also from the foreign investors. Now, this video will explain why. Now, talking about the pricing. During the year 2020, the prices were around 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. Then, post-COVID, the prices went up to 3,000 to 4,000. And now, the prices range from 4,000 and goes more than 7,000 rupees. Then imagine after these developments, when they are already established, imagine the pricing and the appreciation for the future. Looking at the educational prospects in these locations, there are several schools and colleges located spread across in Devanahalli. One is the Harrow International School, the Amity University, the Cambridge International School, the Chanakya University, the Stonehill International School and the Vidyashil School. And we also have the David Padukone Sports Excellence Center located in this location. And now let's talk about the hospitals and the healthcare centers in this location. One is the famous Aster Hospital, Manipal Hospital, Mother Teresa Hospital, Akash Hospital and the famous AstraZeneca Research Center located in this location. Devanahalli is a complete balance of living, lifestyle, culture, divine and work. Now let's see its development towards the tech parks over here. Starting from the development, industrial development, that is the Devanahalli KIADB, Devanahalli Industrial Park, Devanahalli Investment Region, BIAL Investment Park. Then you have several tech parks coming over here from Embassy, Brigade World Trade Center 2, North Gate 2 and several other tech parks. How can we not mention the famous Infosys which is going to establish in Devanahalli with around 100 acres of its campus. We also have the Prestige Cloud Park which is coming up over here. Foxconn is also planning to come up by next year which promises to give more than 50,000 employment in the beginning. So looking into the growth and the development in this location with regards to the healthcare, the education, the connectivity to this location, the technological development and the infrastructure development which is come up by all these topmost builders here. So the future appreciation is definitely going to multiply. The proximity from the STRR Park are Amity and Harrow International Schools as we mentioned, 15 minutes drive from airport, 10 minutes from KIDB IT Park, 30 minutes from Manipal Hospital, 25 minutes from AstraZeneca Research Center, 5 minutes from Foxconn, 10 minutes from Devanahalli Business Park, 10 minutes from Stonehill International School, 10 minutes from Padukone Dravid Center for Sports Excellence, 10 minutes from Prestige Golf Shire and couple of minutes from Vidyashilp International School.